Now, the timeline on this thing. And what do the dates and runways look with this final rule? All right, so everything's kind of been reset. Our new mandatory compliance date, page 2, is January 1, 2028. Now, you're thinking, gosh, we've had other rules come out, and we've had what appeared to be much longer time frames, because when you look at January 1, 2028 from today, that's 20 months, right? Hey, that's not a lot of time in compliance time, but if you think about it, the final rule, the original version of it, dropped in March of 2023. So we've actually had a lot of time, assuming you've been doing some things, moving some of the pieces around and getting ready to get a lot of things in order, to get some framework up. And so they don't believe that the 20 months remaining from now until January 1st, 2028 is going to be a huge lift or a huge burden for those that have already been playing the game and looking as if they're going to be subject to the rule and will continue to be subject to the rule. Okay, we'll get more into the specifics of the number here, but I want to share it with you. That January 1, 2028 date, it's based on originations of covered small business loans, okay? And we have to have equal to or greater than 1,000 of those originations in each of the prior 2 years. And it's just that. There are no more tiers. Those are gone.